Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Deposit Photos. Deposit Photos is a platform that will provide you a very high quality stock images, and they're running their live tutorial on AppSumo. They are frequently on AppSumo. Right now, when I'm recording this video, they're on AppSumo, but in future also they will come. I hope. And see, on single code, you will get 100 photos or vectors download from Deposit Photos, and it's only 35 USD, but you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing also. And they're saying that all images are royalty free and images can be downloaded at any time. So these are the complete idea guys about their pricing plan. And see, if you stack more code, then you will be able to download more photos. See, 1000 photos or vectors for 350 USD. So I will show you how premium the images that are available on this tool. But see, this tool has gotten, sorry, it's not a tool, it's a platform actually. So this platform has gotten 391 reviews on AppSumo, which is really huge guys. And see, everyone is giving here 5-star review, so I think the tool is really great platform, not a tool, just a platform. Anyway, so let me go to the Deposit Photo platform now, and let me explore how things work here and how it can be helpful for us. See, this is the dashboard of Deposit Photos. See, here you will get some tools: Vista Create Editor, Logo Maker, free background remover is available, free video background remover is available, and free image upscaler is available. And see, here you will see your recent searches, and here are the trending now. These images are trending now. Basically, Christmas vibes. When I'm recording this video, it's November, so now Christmas vibe. Then 2023 color of the year, then metaverse collection, healthcare, Christmas, stand with Ukraine. These images are now trending, guys. And see, Thanksgiving is coming soon. So if I explore Thanksgiving photos, let's say, let me explore it, guys. See, here are the photos, and it really seems very high quality images. Let's say I will use one from here. Let's say I will use this one. See, Happy Thanksgiving. Let's say this one. If I enter to this photo, see, here is the photos basically, and here you can download the photo in different format, standard license. Then there have 5400 by 3600. There have 5400 by 3600 JPEG, and so different format is available here. And then here have the extended license. So they're saying that files under the extended license can be downloaded using on-demand downloads for extended license only. Anyway, I can download the image basically from here now. I can add it to my favorite list. I can share it, and I can download the watermarked preview image also from here. These are the whole idea, guys. And when I have clicked on this favorite icon, they have sent me how easy was it to find you the contact. Oh, okay, they want the feedback basically. Anyway, guys, now I can download the image basically from here. Also, they have similar royalty free images. Similar types of royalty free images are available here, and same series images are available here. uh, Similar stock videos, but these stock videos are not included under this AppSumo plan, guys. Keep in mind, you will get only the stock images, and the images are very high quality images. So I can download the image from here, but before downloading, I will search some more images, because for every download it will cost me 1 credit, and I have gotten this single code from AppSumo basically, so I can download only 100 images. Now let's say here I will search. Let's say, what can I search? Let's say nature. I'll search, and see, these are the images for nature, and these images are very high quality images, really high quality images are. You can also get illustration here. See, nature illustrations are available. Let me open it. See, guys, here are the nature illustrations, and they have 200k plus nature illustrations. See, a lot of high quality nature illustrations are available. Nature landscape are available here. So these are the things, and it's taking time to load, but the idea I hope you get, guys, about this tool. And then see, on the left hand side, they have the filter option: portrait, full body, profile, wide dark portrait. Then camera angle, you can select font or from above. Then Arial, flat lay, then date added anytime. Let's say I will get only the images that has been added on the past week. So if I select here past week, see, these are the images that has been added past week, and they are very fresh image. See, very fresh image, very new image. A lots of new images are available. See, these images are completely fresh images. They have been added on the past week, so they are fresh images. A lots of fresh images are available, guys. So whenever you will get this tool, you will get the fresh image basically here. I hope you get idea. And then there I have premiere only. So if I select this premiere only, then let's say what I will get. See, now they are saying that sorry, but we haven't found anything. So I'm not sure what is premiere only, but you can basically filter by using this feature also. After that, they have orientation. They have horizontal orientation, then vertical orientation, a square shape, and then this one I'm not sure what it is. So if I select this one, let me select this one, and then let's see what type of image we get. So see, these type of image, so it's very wide images. So these images are very wide images, guys, and I don't think uh, they are very high quality. I'm sorry, but it's not seems that they are very high quality. But if I use this horizontal orientation, then maybe I will get a lot of high quality horizontal image. See, these images are really high quality image, I think. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. Then there have isolated only, exclude isolated, then exclude renders. So a lot of filters are available. Now let's say you want nature photos with person, with people. So see, people, any number of people. Let's say you want the nature photo with three people, and if I select here three, then they're saying sorry, we haven't found anything. So if I selected two, then let's see what will happen. So in this case, maybe they are not finding anything also. If I select one person, then let's see what we will get. See, this is the photo of nature where have one person. So in this way, you can basically filter the image also. I hope you get idea, guys. Let me bring some more photos here. Let's say I will give here two people. Let me show you if I can get anything like two people with the image. See, see, these are the nature images where have two peoples. See, two peoples. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea. If you want three people, then just give here three people, and then these are the nature photos. I have three people. So a lot of customization feature and filter features are available here. Also, let's say you want the image that do not have any people, so you can just use here exclude people. Then you will get the nature images where do not have any people. Then any gender, any age, then ethnicity you can select basically from here. I hope you get idea, guys, about this filtration process. Contributor name, you can also search by contributor name here. Then editorial only or exclude editorial, you can search depending on different color, depending on origin and location. So different locations image you can basically get from here. Indoor photos, outdoor photos, then session, time of day. So a lots of filter option are available, guys, here. So by using these filters, you can get your perfect image basically. I hope you get idea. Now here I will show you one photo to download. Let's say I will use maybe one image. Let's say I'll use this one. So if I enter to this one, see, it will show you this interface basically, and from here you can select who is dimension you want to use. Let's say I will use this one, and then you can select here centimeter or inch, or see, different dimensions are available. And then now if I click here download, it will be downloaded. You can see the author name from here. You can find similar image from here, and you can see these are the similar images. Basically you can see the same series images. You can also see the file info. These are the things. Also you can search this keyword to get more images like that. I hope you get idea, and you can add it to your favorite list, and you can share it. See, they have share option, so you can share it. Also you can download the watermarked preview. So if you download the watermarked preview, then your credit will not be consumed basically. So let me download the image finally, guys. Let's say I'll download this image. So just click here download image, then the image will be downloaded, and it will cost you credit, guys, if you get See, it will cost you credit basically. So if I try to download it, then it will redirect me here. Now if I again download the image, then they're saying me to subscribe. I'm not sure why they're saying me to subscribe, because I have gotten this deposit photos um, lifetime deal plan for this 100 photos, and I haven't downloaded anything, guys. So let me select this one. So maybe I can use only this one. Let me try this one. If I click here download image, then let's see what will happen. Let me click here again, guys, download image. So now the image has been downloading, guys. So 21 MB this image. So I can download this format, guys, but I cannot download this 5464 by 3640 in this one maybe. So these are the things. But let me try this one to download image, let's say. So if I use this one, let me see if I can download it. Yes, guys, I can download it also. And then let me try this one, the last one. So if I try the last one, then let's see what will happen. Then they are asking me to subscribe to their website's plan. So I cannot use the last one basically. These are the thing, guys. I hope you get idea. So I cannot use this last one, guys. These are the complete idea, guys. Now let me open the image. See, one image has been downloaded. Now if I open the image, see, this is the image. This is the image quality. If I zoom the image, see, I can zoom the image, and then that's really high quality image. These are the things. Now let's say if I go to the home section of deposit photos, whenever you will go to the home section of deposit photos, here you will get always the trending images. So you can basically make money by using these trending images in various way. There have a lot of platform where trending images are very necessary. You can sell the design of the trending image, so you can also get the idea what are trending now, and then you can use this idea in case of your business. This is another use case of this tool can be. Now let's say I will here use, let's say, this, the truth about Russia, this one, let's say. And then see, now Ukraine Russia oil is very trending, and see, here are the photos of this trending news. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, and if you want to download it, you can download it, and they are very high quality images. Generally you will not get this type of high quality images in anywhere. So if you think as you need this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this deposit photos lifetime deal from AppSumo. See, for 100 photos or factors, it will cost you only 35 USD. Also, you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on deposit photos lifetime deal. But if you want to get these 100 images from their website, then you have to pay $100. That means 100 images for $100. But from AppSumo, you are getting it at only 35 USD. So if you think you need this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this deposit photos lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on deposit photos lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching these videos.